Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. I'm at G Money's right now, sitting out on her porch. It's raining, it's peaceful, it's beautiful. It is Thanksgiving Day. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm just going to do this quick little voiceover intro because she's going to be taking over quite soon. I did this kind of wacky mani for Model 1's November mani contest, and the theme was Spooky Autumn, which to me screams Halloween. And I was like, nope, we're done with Halloween. So I decided to do sort of an X-Files themes type of design. I don't know. This was my practice. I did a little practice tip, and was kind of digging it. Like, I don't know. I don't know if y'all are even familiar with the X-Files, but a lot of their episodes take place in the woods or have something to do with forestry or something. Any boobs. I used a million, tillion, quintillion products, and there they all are. And as much as I love stamping, a lot of my images don't fit on super long tips, so I just snapped off the little stick part of my pop stick and I just used the little tip thing here on my little stand. It worked out, I thought anyways. So now we're going to finish the rest of this video with a guest voiceover person. Guest. Surprise person guest. I'm going to make her watch this and tell y'all what I'm doing.
All right, G Money here. We're gonna do a voiceover on Tara's mixing up a slop of brown. Mixing it up, stirring it up. Got some base coat. Sticking it on the tips. Oh, look at that application, would ya? Smooth. Lovely. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, Model 1s. Yeah, smooth, doesn't look streaky. We got some, what are we gonna do? Oh, alternate colors. Thought she was gonna put that on that purple for a minute. Oh yeah. Pull it nice and thin.
That's right.
Okay, I like that color brown. Just mixed up on the fly there, so it's kind of jelly. Is that what the purpose was? No, there was
That's
just got it opaque. That's 2 coats. Okay. Got a little sponging action going. See, Casey needs to watch this because she sucks with a sponge and she's turning into a professional nail artist, so nice. It's one of those really thick sponges, silicone-y. Oh, so we're sponging an outline all around. Because this better not be no reciprocal bull crap.
Not on this channel.
Oh, that's cool. That's cute. Okay, okay.
Look at me go.
Look. It's raining here if you haven't noticed.
Alright, move along, Tara.
All right. Oh, slow it down.
I think I did 2 coats.
Okay. Oh, and we're scramping.
Oh, scramp.
A little scramping going on. With some green. I don't know what color that is, but it's green. Oh, some little leaves. Surprise, surprise.
Surprise.
Sorry, rude trucks driving by. We're voicing over here, people. Ooh, I love it. What green is that?
Emerald something.
Emerald something. Who's it?
Hit
the bottle. Oh, yeah, I have that. I love it.
Oh, more sponging.
More spongy bunging.
That's an odd combo, but
I mean, it looks good.
I low-key love it.
Yeah, the brown and the teal looks pretty good to me. Did you mix that one? Did I miss that? Talking about the truck driving by?
No, that's free agent.
All right, we're going to do a little layers stamping. Or maybe a little, I don't know. Oh, is that the moon? Don't tell me.
I screwed up.
Oh, yeah, you can clean that off. That's no problem. Ooh, okay, a harvest moon.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. I see where you're going. A little harvest moon going on. I love wheat. I love the wheat stamping, and I never do it. And I see people's mayonnaise. It's like, oh, that's so cute. Cute. Doing a little cleanup on
I don't know what
aisle
happened.
3.
I think those were supposed to be there, honestly, but I didn't know.
Oh, well.
I took
Whatever
them
you
off
want
on
to do.
accident.
Love it. Oh, I'm going to put a little tint across the moon. Oh, that is adorable.
Thank you.
I like it. Okay, we're going with the booby blue. Little bitty baby blue. The little bitty puppies. Snuggle little puppies. You could go over there and sneak over there and steal those puppies, or make Alex go do it. Okay, you just came by here.
Go away, people.
Ugh.
We're working.
All right, we got some more hit the bottle, some grayish black.
Oh, I think it's my suitor wears pewter.
Oh, yes. Oh, I love
I
it.
screwed him up.
Oh,
So I think
whatever.
I redid it. I think I
Why
redid
did you?
it.
Why is that so screwed up?
My bird didn't come through.
Oh, I saw the bird.
He wasn't full.
We're scraping again. Picking it up again. Oh, almost screwed that up, didn't you?
Yep. There's my bird.
There it is. Okay, yeah, it does look better.
See, I've forgotten what I've done
Oh, I
even.
love it. It's like evening on a quail hunt.
Dusk.
Dusk.
Oh,
Oh, look at the
They
fur.
shred. They
Look
shred.
Yep,
They
they
shred.
do. They do.
what is that? What's that plate? Creative Shop.
Yeah,
plates.
Creative Shop. They'll
eat your cotton.
They will. They're. Oh wow, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. We're gonna do some pumpkin orange. Okay, I'm sitting out here with my hair wet, but I am sitting on a heated blanket.
Oh, more sponging.
More
I'm out of control.
Here at G Moneyland, we now have a fancy outside plug, so we got a heater and heating blanket.
I don't really know why I added this, but I did.
Balls. Two balls.
I don't know. Could it be like moonlight at dusk?
Maybe.
I don't know.
We'll see when you get done.
Yeah, I forgot what I've done.
So is this the moon across here, and then the
Maybe.
ledge?
Moonlight.
And then you're doing a little cloud action across
It's
the...
spooky autumn.
Hey, I'm supposed to be doing this.
Oh, my bad. I'll shut up. This is my favorite image ever in the history of the world. I just want to say that. My favorite image in the history of all images. Okay, I'll shut up now.
I've got this plate too. Oh yeah, that looks Halloween there. It kind of looks like a road going down the road. Looking through the leaves at the moon. I don't know, it's cute, whatever it is. Giving it some top coats, and knowing Tara, it's matte all things.
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Glossy first.
I didn't read the top. Yeah, always glossy first. Always top coat everything. And then if you want it matte, then you can matte it after. But you want it all smoothed out.
There's glossy.
Gorgeous. Oh, that one on the left is really like 3D with the glossy. That's the thing about matte. Do you lose your dimension kind of on that first one?
A little.
A little. The last two are good matte. I mean, they're all good matte. They look pretty matte, but I the one with the moon and the wheat, I thought, we're sitting here, I'm pointing at the screen when I'm talking, and you can't see my finger. I like that one glossy because it looked more three-dimensional.
Yeah.
But they're beautiful.
Perfect.
Perfect. I love them.
All right. Spooky autumn. Spooky autumn in the books.
With
Thanks for watching, y'all.
Special guest, G's the Monies.
G's Monies.